Hey guys, this is Amit and you're watching Tech Dad. In this video, we are going to compare between Samsung Galaxy M52 5G versus Vivo V21 5G. And we will discuss which one is better in camera, performance, display, body of the devices, features, communication chips, and about the prices. In the end of the video, I will tell you which one is better according to me. So watch this video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Let the comparison start with the camera of the devices. Talking about the rear camera of the devices, M52 have triple camera setup, 64 megapixel of wide camera, 12 megapixel of ultra wide camera and 5 megapixel of macro camera, whereas V21 comes with triple camera setup, 64 megapixel of wide camera, 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera and 2 megapixel of macro camera. So the winner here is M52 because it have 12 megapixel of ultra wide camera which can take high resolution of ultra wide shots. And about the front camera of the devices, M52 have 32 megapixel of wide camera, whereas V21 have 44 megapixel of wide camera. So the winner here is V21 because it can take high resolution of selfies. Let's talk about the camera features of the devices. M52 have LED flash, HDR and panorama, whereas V21 have LED flash, HDR and panorama, so it's a tie. And about the video recording options in the devices, M52 can shoot 4K video max at 30 fps and Full HD video max at 30 fps, whereas V21 can shoot 4K video max at 30 fps, Full HD video max at 60 fps. So the winner here is V21 because it can record Full HD video max at 60 fps. Moving to the performance of the devices, let's start with the operating system of the devices. M52 have Android 11 support, on the other side V21 also have Android 11 support. So in this case it's a tie. And about the user interface of the devices, M52 have one UI whereas V21 comes with front touch UI. So it's a tie because both of the devices have different user interface. So it's up to you which UI you like it or not, it's up to you. Let's talk about the processor of the devices. M52 is powered by Snapdragon 778G based on 6nm processor, whereas V21 is powered by Dimensity 800U 5G based on 7nm processor. So the winner here is M52 because it have faster processing speed. And about the GPU of the devices, M52 is packed with Adreno 642L, whereas V21 is packed with Mali G57. So the winner here is M52 because it can give you more FPS in games. Let's talk about the clock speed of the devices. M52 can clock at 2.4 GHz based on octa-core Creo chipset, whereas V21 can clock at 2.4 GHz based on octa-core Cortex chipset. So it's a tie because both of the devices have same clock speed. And about the RAM variants in the devices, M52 have 6GB of RAM variant, whereas V21 have 8GB of RAM variant. So the winner here is V21 because it have bigger capacity of RAM option. Let's talk about the internal storage of the devices. M52 comes with 128GB of storage, whereas V21 also have 128GB of storage. So it's a tie because both of the devices have same read and write speed. And about the external storage of the devices, M52 have shared card slot, whereas V21 also have shared card slot. So it's a tie. Moving to the display features of the devices, let's start with the display size of the devices. M52 have 6.7 inches of display, whereas V21 have 6.44 inches of display. So the winner here is M52 because it have bigger screen size. And about the screen to body ratio of the devices, M52 have approximately 86.4%, whereas V21 have 84.8%. So the winner here is M52 because it have bigger ratio. Let's talk about the screen resolution of the devices. M52 comes with Full HD Plus display, on the other side V21 also have Full HD Plus display, so it's a tie. And about the display type of the devices, M52 have Super AMOLED display having 120Hz of refresh rate, whereas V21 have AMOLED display having 90Hz of refresh rate with HDR10 support. So the winner here is M52 because it have 120Hz of refresh rate which can make transitions more smoother. Moving to the body features of the devices, let's start with the thickness of the devices. M52 have 7.4 mm of thickness, whereas V21 have 6.44 mm of thickness. So the winner here is V21 because it have slimmer body. Talking about the weight of the devices, M52 have 173 grams of weight, whereas V21 have 176 grams of weight. So it's a tie because both of the devices have approximately the same body weight. And about the screen to body ratio of the devices, and about the protective glass of the devices, M52 have Gorilla Glass 3, whereas V21 have Gorilla Glass 6 protective glass on it. So the winner here is V21 because it have newer generation of glass which can provide more durability as compared to Gorilla Glass 3. Let's talk about the build quality of the devices. M52 have plastic back with plastic frame, whereas V21 have plastic back with plastic frame. So it's a tie because both of the devices have solid build quality. And about the SIM options in the devices, Both of the devices have dual SIM support, so it's a tie. Moving to some of the most important features of the devices, let's start with the fingerprint scanner of the devices. M52 have side-mounted fingerprint scanner. On the other side, V21 also have under-display fingerprint scanner. So the winner here is M52 because it have physical scanner which is faster than under-display fingerprint scanner. And about the sensors in the devices, M52 have accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity and compass, whereas V21 have accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity and compass. So it's a tie. Let's talk about the battery capacity of the devices. M52 have 5000 mAh of battery capacity, whereas V21 also have 4000 mAh of battery capacity. So the winner here is M52 because it have bigger battery capacity. Let's talk about the charging speed of the devices. M52 have 25 watts of fast charging, whereas V21 have 33 watts of fast charging. So the winner here is V21 because it have faster charging speed, which can charge up your device faster. Let's talk about the loudspeaker of the devices. M52 comes with normal speakers, whereas V21 have normal speakers too. So it's a tie. And about the headphone jack of the devices, M52 have 3.5mm of headphone jack, but V21 did not have. So the winner here is M52. Moving to the communication chips in the devices, starting with the double LAN of the devices. Both of the devices have Wi-Fi AC, dual band Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi direct and hotspot, but M52 have 6th generation of Wi-Fi which provides more coverage area. So the winner here is M52. And about the Bluetooth version of the devices, M52 have 5th generation of Bluetooth, whereas V21 have 5.1 generation of Bluetooth. So the winner here is V21 because it have newer generation of Bluetooth. Let's talk about the positioning chips in the devices. M52 have AGPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS and QSIS, whereas V21 have AGPS, GLONASS, Galileo and BDS. So the winner here is M52 because it have QSIS. And about the USB connectivity of the devices, M52 comes with 2nd gen of Type-C connector with OTG support, whereas V21 also have 2nd gen of Type-C connector with OTG support. So it's a tie. Moving to the price of the devices in the international market, price of M52 is around $400 US, whereas V21 is available from $400 US. In the Indian market, M52 have starting range from 26,000 rupees, whereas V21 is available from 27,000 rupees. So the conclusion of the video is, in the camera, the winner here is M52. In the performance, the winner here is M52. In the display, the winner here is M52. In the body segment, the winner here is V21. In the features of the device, it's a tie. In the communication chips, it's a tie. And about the prices, the winner here is M52. So the decision is totally yours, which device you like the most so far, and let me know in the comment below what do you think, which device is better for you. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like our content, please like our video, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Comment what you thought in the comment below. If you're watching this video on Facebook, please like our page TechDad, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, here's my Instagram ID on the screen. This is Amit and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye.